I was scrolling through the internet and this cozy lamp ad caught my attention. It would have looked perfect on my desk, but it was $80. And then I thought, when have I ever bought something? So I opened up Fusion 360. I wanted it clean, just a simple cube, something that can glow in any color, nothing crazy, just minimal but smart. After a few tweaks, the design was ready and honestly I really liked how it turned out. Now we need to make it actually work. For that, we need a few electrical components. First, ARGB LED strip. This one features 60 LEDs per meter, resulting in smoother light and a more vibrant glow. And this tiny thing is the brain, the ESP32C6. It features built-in Wi-Fi, allowing the lamp to be controlled wirelessly. No buttons, no switches, just clean control. To make the cube light up evenly, I needed an LED grid inside. To make that, I first grabbed a piece of cardboard, then I cut the LED strip into smaller segments and paste them evenly to form a grid. And just like that, the structure is ready. But wiring of these tiny pieces together, that's a lot of soldering. That could work, but I'm not doing that because I'm too lazy to do it. And also, it wouldn't look clean. So in this situation, a custom PCB can save us. I designed it and ordered it from GLC PCB. They offer super affordable prototyping. You can get 5 PCBs starting at around $2, and they support everything from simple 2-layer boards to complex multi-layer designs. Their ordering process is super simple. Just upload your Gobo file, choose the specs, and you are done. The boards arrive in just a few days and the quality is honestly impressive. Now that we have our PCB, let's put everything together. Alright, as you can see, the PCB is finally ready. Now it's time to bring this thing to life by installing WLED on it. Why WLED? Because it basically gives us everything: full RGB control, smooth animation, effects, and brightness control. After connecting to the PC, all you have to do is open the WLED installer website, select the port, and click install. But there is one small problem. As of now, WLED does not support the ESP32C6. So yeah, that plan didn't work. After thinking about it for a bit, I decided to change the microcontroller with the good old VMOS T1 Mini. It's simple, stable, and fully supported by WLED. Okay, so we are done. So let's try to install the WLED again. As you can see, this time it worked. The board is running perfectly. I can change colors, switch between modes, adjust brightness, everything straight from my PC. And honestly, this is exactly what I wanted. Now before we go any further, big shout out to Altium for sponsoring this video. Altium is known for powering some of the most advanced PCB design workflows, and if you are a student, Altium offers something truly valuable, the Altium Student Lab. It gives you free access to industry-level design tools and a complete PCB learning program that walks you through everything from core concept to practical design fundamentals like layout, routing, manufacturing, and supply chain basics. You will work on real-world projects, build job-ready skills, and earn an official core certificate that helps your resume stand out and open doors to future opportunities. Enroll is completely free, so if you want to take your electronic career to next level, check out the link below and join Altium Student Lab today. Alright, coming back to the build, it's finally time to print the model. For this, I'm using my all-new Prusa Core 1. I have been using it about a month now and honestly it's been solid. The print quality is clean, it's fast, and the surface finish comes out really smooth. As you can see, both parts turned out really well. Now let's finish this build. It's actually pretty simple. Just secure the PCB onto the base with 2 screws. Add the top part, and that's it. Your very own Pixel Cube desk lamp is ready. Clean, minimal, and fully customizable. And just look at that, it completely changes the vibe of the desk. I can change the color to literally anything I want. There are smooth fades, lot of effects, and solid colors as well. Whether you're working, chilling, or gaming, you can tweak the colors and effects to match the vibe. And that's it for this build. If you want to make one yourself, all files are available on Cults, link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like and let me know in the comments what should I upgrade next on this desk. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.